Ama namin, maaari kaya.
Tuhod magkabila ang nangangapal kakaluhod sa harapan ng salamin, parang hibang panay ang tanong kung maaari bang mapasakin ka't mapasa iyo ako, yan ang paborito kong dasal. Dalawang patinig lang ang pinag-aasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan?
Sabihin mo, oh,
makasaya mo hanggang
kaya mo, gusto mo.
mahaba man ang prosesyon, sasamahan ka sa simbahan. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, oo. Ama namin, maaari kayang mapasakin pinakaaasam. Pwede bang ako o nalaan? Sabihin mo, makasaya mo
Daryl and Javelin. According to the gospel, according to the Lord Jesus, that union should not be separated by any reason, by any human desire or intentions, because your union now is blessed by God.
I promise to love you unconditionally and without hesitation. I vow to respect you, support you, and encourage you in all of your dreams. I will cherish you each and every day.
You believe that you love each other, and you try your best to be faithful to one another. You want that love to grow. You want that love to be perfect. And perfection of love, my brothers and sisters, has been shown to us by the Lord Jesus.
Hi, love. From the moment our paths crossed, I knew my life was forever changed. Today, in front of our loved ones, I take you as my partner, my love, and my best friend.
Pinaalam na kay nanay at tatay, ikaw na lang ang hinihintay. Di man ganun kasigurado sa tugon mo, di na mapapabukas pa.
Dariel, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
Dariel, do you take Javelin here present for the lawful wife according to the rites of our Holy Mother the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as a lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Sakali na ako yung pabigyan.
Sa iyong dugo nakasalanan, pag-ibig ang panghabang buhay sa kalimang hindi umayo ay hindi magsisisi. Ito'y sinubukan.
J. Villian, did you come here of your own free will to find yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
J. Villian, do you take the real present for your lawful husband according to the right of our Holy Mother Natures?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept him as your lawful husband?
Yes, I do.
Di ko napansin, pinabalik ko rin ang lambing. Di na kayang ipagwalang bahala ang dinadala ng puso ko'y gustong kumawala. Ikaw ang tanging dahilan sa pag-isip
Today,
ko.
I give you my hands to hold and my love to give. I love you more than words can express. And I will spend the rest of my days showing you just how much you need love.
Puso ko'y sayong-sayo, giliw. Salamat sa good morning.
As I stand here today in the presence of our families and friends, I can't help but feel the absence of someone incredibly special to me. My mama. I should have loved you just as much as I do. I promise to cherish our bond and respect our differences. I vow to support your dreams and celebrate your triumph. I will be your comfort in times of struggle and your strength when you need it most. With you, I have found my home and my happiness. I promise to love you unconditionally today, tomorrow, and for all the days of our lives. I love you so much.